In 2025, a new era of air dominance begins. The United States has launched LINT. At Boeing's St. Louis facility, engineers and technicians are assembling the first production F-47 airframe.
Its skin uses next-generation radar-absorbing materials and precision faceting to minimize radar signature across multiple frequencies.
Planners target a combat radius exceeding 800 kilometers, enabling deep strike and long-range air superiority missions.
Sensor fusion allows the F-47 to merge data from radar, electro-optical systems, and off-board sources in real time.
The F-47 is built to operate as part of a combat network, exchanging data with satellites, AWACS, and unmanned wingmen. Manned-unmanned teaming lets the F-47 pilot assign dangerous tasks to loyal wingmen, expanding reach while reducing risk. Internal weapon bays preserve stealth while allowing modular payloads, from long-range missiles to electronic warfare pods.
The F-47 continues air dominance legacy.
Air Force leadership calls the F-47 a cornerstone for future air combat strategy, built to outmatch evolving global threats.
Production of the first F-47 prototype marks the shift from concept to reality. A new chapter in stealth aviation.
Engineers oversee structure, avionics integration, and system checks before the aircraft enters its first test phase. The first flight is expected in 2028, with operational service in the early 2030s, pending test outcomes and funding. Onboard AI assists pilots, analyzing threats, automating controls, and enhancing survivability in complex battles.
F-47 commands unmanned wingmen to perform SEAD solar, suppressing enemy air defenses before manned jets enter the zone.
Strategically, F-47s will operate across contested airspaces, from the Pacific to Europe, wherever advanced air defenses exist. Competing nations are advancing too. The F-47 faces rivals in stealth, sensors, and next-generation propulsion systems. But advanced connectivity brings vulnerability. Cyber attacks and jamming could target its networked systems. Rigorous testing ensures reliability, preventing software bugs and integration issues before the first flight.
Budget pressures and industrial limits shape how fast America can build and field the F-47 fleet.
Analysts believe success depends on merging stealth, AI, and sensor fusion into one seamless platform.
Its advanced propulsion allows supercruise cray, sustained supersonic speed without afterburners.
Despite heavy tech, F-47 maintains extreme agility, built for both speed and maneuver dominance.
New tactics and virtual training prepare pilots to control AI-assisted squadrons and networked missions. Leaders must balance performance gains against cost, defining the Air Force's structure for decades to come.
Survivability blends stealth with active defense for it. Jammers, decoys, and countermeasures work together to stay unseen.
Behind every breakthrough are thousands of skilled hands, building tomorrow's air dominance by hand and heart. The first production airframe stands ready touted, symbolizing years of innovation and engineering mastery. The F-47 program also strengthens defense partnerships, enhancing allied cooperation worldwide. The F-47 marks a new dawn, merging stealth, speed, and AI into one unstoppable force. More than hardware, it's the spirit of innovation and teamwork that defines this achievement. Key strengths: stealth, networking, AI cooperation, and high-speed supercruise performance. The F-47's true impact lies in deterrence, shaping strategy, technology, and power balance worldwide. The first F-47 taking shape is a promise that the future of flight has already begun. Subscribe for more deep dives into advanced military technology and aerospace innovation. Thanks for watching. Some imagery and data in this video are illustrative. See the description for official references.